You ready, girl? It's a very nice day. Found one? She's on to those silver dollars. Anything that sounds like money she like. If you watch this video, comment. When should we do the August giveaway? Drop some dates. We got little Veda over there in the pink. She her birthday's August 19th. She'll be 5. But yeah, let us know a date. Drop some dates and we'll do the next giveaway for August. Appreciate all you guys' support. What's up, girl?
Are you on the phone?
No, I'm just talking to the followers, telling them like to pick a date for August giveaway. Just like to share what we do besides the casino. Take the kids out. We got some. So I'm just asking them like to drop some dates of when to give the giveaway. Try to pick a weekend, guys. Sunday, a Friday, Saturday. Or maybe we should do it in the middle of the week since more people are active. This is San Diego, guys. You guys ready? Let's get a higher view. Over there's Coronado Island. Then Imperial Beach that way, and then Tijuana, Mexico. And the area we're at right now is called Silver Strand, which is in between Imperial Beach and Coronado. You want to see if there's the thing to wash your feet over here? Oh, here. Let's go this way.